Nitrogen and nitrogen foam surfaces. Nitrogen and nitrogen foam surfaces have wide applications. Operations and production surfaces of all types of oil field have obtained good effects. Nitrogen generation realized by means of a membrane separating using the difference in coefficient of solubility and diffusivity of various gases in the hollow fiber membrane enrich nitrogen from the air. Then a booster pressurize the nitrogen in certain purity and make it ready for use. High-pressure nitrogen and a foam solution mixed by foam generator, which forms a stable nitrogen foam liquid. Nitrogen foam liquid featured with adjustable density, high stability, little affected by normal temperature and pressure change, high viscosity, good cuttings transportation, the shear thinning, easier plugging, high permeability layers than lower ones. Foam decomposes when mixed with oil and keeps stable with water. Easier plugging water zone than oil zone. Widely used for flow-inducing, sand washing, plug removal, profile control of steam half-puff well operation, flooding perfection in water or gas injection, foam diversion, acidification, underbalanced drilling, ground facility knitting and purging, and other field services. Foam sand washing. Severe leakage occurs when using normal flushing liquid in wells with lower reservoir pressure, causing difficulty to establish flushing circulation and leading to sand sticking and other accidents easily. The density of foam fluid is low and easy to adjust. It can successfully establish flushing circulation in oil sleeve and result in less leakage and formation contaminant. The viscosity of foam fluid is high and the frictional resistance is low. The sand carrying capacity is 10 times that of clean water, carrying gravel out of the well bore completely, particularly suitable for horizontal wells sand washing. Shuffling plug removal. During the exploitation of oil wells, impurities in the formation migrate into the near well bore with the formation fluid, producing blockage that blocks the oil flow channels and causing the decline of production. Utilize the foam half-puff and circulation shuffling technology and the low density of foam fluid to establish relative formation negative pressure in the bottom of the well, which could make the formation fluid spray at high speed. Discharge the blockage near the well bore and carry the contaminant out of the well bore using the strong carrying capability of the foam. Foam diversion acidification. The result of a conventional acidification in heterogeneous formation, oil-water coexisting leisure, re-acidizing and leakage well is not satisfactory. Formed acid has acidification capacity and foam characteristics simultaneously. Plugging big pore, not plug small pore. Plugging water, not plug oil. Be selective on different permeability formations and oil-water layers to achieve the purpose of acid well distributing and diversion acidizing. The reaction speed of a formed acid acidizing is slow, which could realize reservoir deep acidification come true. Foam flooding in water gas injection wells. The traditional development of water gas injection is likely to cause water channeling, gas channeling, and low displacement efficiency due to the heterogeneity of the formation and the viscosity differences between water, gas, and reservoir oil. Using nitrogen foam flooding can increase the swept volume and displacement efficiency, improve the oil-water mobility ratio, adjust the injection profile, and enlarge sweep volume. Foam deforms when it comes to oil and is stable when it comes to water. It can form a stable jam where the water saturation is high, not to plug the oil flow path. Nitrogen foam profile in steam half-puff wells. Steam channeling is a series in heavy oil steam injection thermal recovery wells. Influenced by formation heterogeneity, the development effect of a thermal recovery is bad due to steam overlay and low steam sweep efficiency. Nitrogen foam forms foam layer in the formation, which could reduce steam flow, improve steam injection pressure and steam swept volume, and efficiently resolve steam extent and steam overlay. These could increase the steam injection of medium-low permeable layers and high oil saturation layers in order to make steam well distributed and improve the utilization of steam. Foam underbalanced drilling. Using foam underbalanced drilling makes it easy to adjust the gas-liquid ratio and achieve underbalanced. The performance of the foam carrying property is good. In the condition of low speed of drilling fluid circulating, the performance of liquid and scarp carrying is good. Strengths: 1. Promptly identify and effectively protect the reservoirs. 2. Evaluate the reservoirs while drilling. 3. Improve the ROP. 4. Avoid lost circulation and prevent sticky suction and stuck drill. 5. Improve exploration efficiency as a whole. Nitrogen can also be used in purging and replacing the pipeline of oil and natural gas. Widely used in low permeability oil-filled gas injection flooding and maintaining pressure production. Technology leading the future. Better service, higher quality. Make the acquisition of oil and gas more efficient. Curry Group.